Mujib, why didn't you go to college?
Brother, my college is closed for 2 months.
Why?
It's summer vacation, brother.
Oh, yeah, I forgot it. What you will do in this vacation?
Nothing. I will just enjoy the vacations.
That's not fair, Mujib. I think you should do something.
Which thing I have to do, brother?
Ask this from yourself.
How can I do this?
Just think which thing is going to the most beneficial for you in the future.
Yeah, I think English is the best choice because it's very necessary.
If you think English is important for you, then join English Center.
But here in Kharpur, no any center is good for English language.
No, good centers are present here. Beacon Center is present here. Smart Center is present here.
I know these are good, but teachers of these centers just make us focus on grammar. I wanna improve my English speaking.
Grammar is also necessary. It's included in many tests. I think you should learn grammar too.
Brother, you are right, but I should join the center in which both things are present, grammar and the environment of English speaking.
That's right. Do you know about that type of center?
Yeah, my friends told me that type of centers are present in Karachi, but some centers have 6 months courses and some have 1 year courses.
Then how can you join? You are just free for 2 months.
I will join the center after 12th class. I wanna enjoy this vacation.
As you wish.
I will go to Islamabad
When will you go?
the day after tomorrow.
I will also go there for my office work. So we will go together.
When?
Next week.
Okay, I'm waiting for the next week.